Well, good morning. We're back in the shop today because I'm going to build us a quail processing table. Stick with us. I'll be right back after the break.
This video covers building our quail processing station, quail setup, part 4 of 5.
Well, welcome back. Today's a big day. I'm going to build the quail processing table, which means, you know what? I'm real close to eating me some quail. I'm looking forward to it. Been working on this for a long time. So this is the last piece that I need to make for the quail system. And so I can have all the parts. We got the brooder done, we got the hutches done, we got the pen done. So here comes the processing table, the last piece. And it's a pretty easy build because it's very simple. And if you'll come on up here close, we'll take a look at what I'm gonna do today, and you can follow along with me on this little build. Okay. This is the little table we're gonna work on today. It's pretty easy and it's a quick project. So this is gonna be a quick and easy build, and you can make this for yourself if you want to, and you can make it any size you want to. I'm making mine kind of small because I want to try to conserve space back there where I'm going to put this, because I want to leave room for all of my poultry processing equipment that I'm going to be setting up out there. So this is just a little spot back there that I'm going to be using for the quail. And I can also use this for the rabbits too. So this is kind of a dual purpose table. This is a top view of the table, and this is a front view of the table. I'm going to build it out of pressure treated lumber because I'm going to leave this table outside permanently. So I want it to, withstand the weather. I'm going to have 4x4 legs because that gives it good stability and makes it nice and heavy where it sits stable when I'm working on it. So I'm not, I don't like tables that wiggle around when I'm working on them. So that'll make it good and stable. I'm going to use 2x4 for the frames, and I'm going to include a small sink right here. That way when I'm butchering quail or rabbits, I can put my carcass discard bucket up here out of the way, and I can throw all that kind of stuff, the guts and all that discard. I'll put all that in the bucket, and then I'll have running water. I'm going to run to this little sink, and I can rinse them off and put them in the water and keep them submerged in water. So, like bugs and flies and stuff don't get on it. I can't stand that. So I'll put it in there and keep them good and wet until I get ready to put them on ice, and then I'll take them over to our pantry, and I'll vacuum seal them and freeze them. So this is pretty easy. It's got I'm gonna put the deck boards on the top to make the top surface pretty easy to work with. And under the bottom, I'm not going to put a shelf. I was thinking about putting a shelf out there, but I don't really need it because I'm going to have everything I need inside the quail pen. So this bottom rail right here is not for nothing more than stability and to give the table a rigid frame so that it's not wobbly. If you wanted to, you could simply lay some hardware cloth across this bottom shelf here, and you could keep things out here, or you could cover it with the same deck boards that I'm going to put on the top. You could put them on the bottom too. Then you'd have a storage shelf underneath, but in my case, I'm not going to need it. So anyway, let's get this build going. It's pretty quick and easy, and you can follow along with me if you want to, and we'll put this thing together and go get it set in place, and then we'll pipe up the sink and we'll be good to go. Let's get started. Well, we sure had a little bit of fun today building a processing station for the quail. I thank you for watching. I hope you got a little something out of it. I got the water supply hooked up, and got me a little sink in there. I don't really need a big sink for quails and rabbit. It don't take much. And that's good enough. And then, I just let it drain out right onto the ground down there, because it's just a small amount of water once in a while. So I didn't want to pipe it off somewhere, and it's just a bunch of work for nothing really. So anyway, here's the table. It's at a 40-inch height, so it's good and comfortable for me, so I can work without bending my back. And it's got plenty of workspace, surface space up here, so I can clean and I can wash and I can do whatever I need right here. When I ran the water, I went ahead and I ran me a line into the hutch itself inside. I branched off of the supply that comes to the sink, and I went to the inside of the quail pen and put a hose bib inside. I probably won't never need it, but I said, well, while I'm working at this, I might as well go ahead and stick a hose bib in there real quick, because as my daddy always says, you don't never know. So I went ahead and put it in there just in case I come up one day and have a need for hooking a hose up and washing something down for some reason. So anyway, I got a hose bib on the inside. I got a hose bib here as a faucet, and the processing station's done. And really that completes our quail project. So at this point, we're pretty much ready for to start our quail. So we're very excited. We finally got one at completion. So we really appreciate you watching and traveling along with us on our journey on setting up our quails. And if you enjoyed our channel and you like watching us bring the homestead to life, please subscribe and be a part of our homestead family. So until me and Nancy see y'all next time, always remember, by his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.
Thank you for watching our videos. We love making them. If you like our videos, we ask you to partner with us in our mission by sharing our videos from YouTube and post from Facebook to all social medias. It really inspires and encourages us. Some great places to share is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Please like if you like this video, subscribe, click the notification button so you never miss another video. Click below for products we used in the videos, and you could also partner with us without spending a penny. We welcome your encouraging comments, prayers, and questions. And thank you for watching and sharing our videos and posts. Have a blessed day.